You have the right to remain silent.
Anything you can say will be held against you in the court of law.
Perfect. You're going to jail. There's no one that's going to help you.
On May 15th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence regarding a trespassing incident. A daughter requested that her mother be trespassed from the property after she attempted to break a door.
Where's Stephanie at? What's going on?
She is upstairs. My dad has a little lock on his door, and she was trying to kick in the door, and I just didn't know damage to the apartment.
Okay. Stephanie, what's going on?
Come on up.
Why are you trying to break down the door?
Well, I know Bob Hines didn't put this lock on it.
Okay, David did.
But he doesn't own the house.
Okay, but...
So he's allowed to make changes to it?
I mean, that's between
Come on up here and look.
That's between him and the
Bring
landlord.
your camera up here.
That's between him
I already talked to the landlord.
Well, then the landlord needs to file a report. It's nothing that you can
This
do.
is stupid.
You can't kick down the door.
I wasn't going to kick the door. I was just kicking the lock.
You can't do that. You gotta go.
I can.
Go. No, you can't.
Because if you kick it right
You can't.
there,
Yeah, you're
it
damaging
pops
it.
the lock
Yeah, you're damaging
out.
it.
Well,
Downstairs.
Who put it on?
Probably David. It's his right. He lives here. Go downstairs.
So do I.
You don't have residency. We talked about this.
This moment right here is crucial. You hear her say, "My mail comes here." A lot of people believe receiving mail automatically establishes residency. That's a myth. Legally, residency usually depends on factors like lease agreements, landlord consent, and length of uninterrupted occupancy. Officers aren't deciding ownership. They're deciding who has lawful possession at this moment. So ask yourself, if you were responding to this call, would mail be enough for you to say she belongs here?
You have the right to remain silent.
Anything you can say will be held against you in the court of law.
Perfect. You're going to jail. There's no one that's going to help you.
On May 15th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence regarding a trespassing incident.
This moment right here is crucial. You hear her say, "My mail comes here." A lot of people believe receiving mail automatically establishes residency. That's a myth. Legally, residency usually depends on factors like lease agreements, landlord consent, and length of uninterrupted occupancy. Officers aren't deciding ownership. They're deciding who has lawful possession at this moment. So ask yourself, if you were responding to this call, would mail be enough for you to say she belongs here?
A daughter requested that her mother be trespassed from the property after she attempted to break a door.
Where's Stephanie at? What's going on?
She is upstairs. My dad has a little lock on his door, and she was trying to kick in the door, and I just didn't know damage to the apartment.
Okay. Stephanie, what's going on?
Come on up.
Why are you trying to break down the door?
Well, I know Bob Hines didn't put this lock on it.
Okay, David did.
But he doesn't own the house.
Okay, but...
So he's allowed to make changes to it?
I mean, that's between
Come
him...
on up here and look.
That's between him and
Bring
the landlord.
your camera up here.
That's between him...
I already talked to the landlord.
Well, then the landlord needs to file a report.
This is where viewers split hard. She's yelling, panicking, claiming injury. Officers are issuing clear commands. Legally, resistance doesn't require punching or fleeing. Pulling away, refusing to comply, or stiffening up can qualify. Emotionally, though, she's spiraling. This is the nightmare scenario. A person in crisis meets a system that runs on compliance. Be honest, at this point, do you see resistance or desperation?
It's nothing that you can
This
do.
is stupid.
You can't kick down the door.
I wasn't going to kick the door. I was just kicking the lock.
You can't do that. You gotta go.
I can.
Go. No, you can't.
Because if you kick it right
You can't.
there,
Yeah, you're
it
damaging
pops
it.
the lock
Yeah, you're damaging
out.
it.
Well,
Downstairs.
Who put it on?
Probably David. It's his right. He lives here. Go downstairs.
So do I.
You don't have residency. We talked about this.
I do.
Go downstairs.
My mail comes here. Do you want to see how much
Go
my mail was opened?
downstairs.
Do you want to see how
No,
much
I
of
don't.
my
Go
mail that
downstairs.
was opened while I was in jail?
Do you guys want her here?
Who cares? When we rented the place, it was Dave and me.
What happened? How did she leave earlier?
No, I don't.
No, she didn't leave
No, she
earlier.
didn't leave.
Okay.
We put her on a movie and she just went upstairs and started kicking the door.
I was
Okay.
just going upstairs for my own
Do
belongings.
you guys still want her here? Then?
I want my. Is that okay? You want to know the truth?
You need to leave. They don't want you here.
All right, let's go.
Who cares?
They don't want you here. Let's go.
Doesn't matter. They're not on the lease.
Either you can go or we're taking you to jail for it.
Gonna take me to jail for it?
Let's go.
Yes.
We don't want to.
We don't want.
Wanna?
No, we don't want to take you over.
We don't
You
want to.
want to do this?
We just want you to leave.
I don't.
Don't.
No, I'm scared.
No, then leave.
Then get out of my house.
You're being recorded.
So are you.
I just want you to go downstairs. You need to leave.
Do you understand? Look at this bathroom. I haven't been here. Oh,
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back.
this is
Hands.
my house, my place of residence. Bob Hines.
Just hold it right there for now.
The girls' car.
Just
It's my house.
Just relax.
It's my house. Get out of 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 my house. My house.
Stop.
Get out of my house.
Use that arm.
This
Stop.
is my place. My mail has been opened. My mail's been opened. Why?
Hands behind your back. You're gonna get tased after me.
Have you been tased? Have you ever been tased? Guys?
Start us another unit.
Guys?
Go.
Just trying to get in my house.
Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Don't ruin my sweater. It's one of the only pieces of clothing I own. Right?
You probably should have thought of that.
Really?
Hands behind your back.
It's my house. It's where I live.
Where are they at? Huh?
You're not.
Claims of injury change everything, but only if they're credible and consistent. Notice the officers pointing out movement after she says she can't stand. From a legal standpoint, exaggeration can hurt credibility fast, especially on Bodycam. From a human standpoint, adrenaline and panic can make pain feel very real. This is why body camera footage becomes the ultimate referee. Do you think the officers handled this carefully or mechanically?
Off of me. Get him off of me, please.
She's in cuffs.
Please. I was just trying to get my own bedroom.
Hands behind.
I was trying to get my own bedroom.
Thanks. Can I borrow your gloved hands? Yeah, we need that out of the toilet.
Huh?
We need something out of the toilet. Seriously.
All right, I'll do it. I don't want to go down and
That's
get
fine. All right, let's go. Let's go. Watch your legs. Bring your leg over. Bring your leg over around.
It's broke.
No, it's not broke.
It's broke.
Your leg's not broke. Stand
Broke.
up.
It's broke. My shoulder.
Then stand up.
Oh my God, my shoulder.
Then stand up. Stand up.
My house. All I wanted was my out of the bedroom.
Yeah, but you can't be kicking in the door. You don't live here.
I do. Where's my mail come? Do you want to see it opened downstairs?
All right. Please stand up, or we're gonna carry you out.
Do you want to see all the stuff
I don't
in
give
here?
a fuck. I don't want to see anything. I want you to stand up.
Huh.
Are you gonna stand up? Are you going to stand up so we don't have to carry you downstairs by your
My
shoulders?
leg was broke.
It's not broke. You literally were just climbing the toilet to get away from us and resist us.
You're in my house.
This isn't
So
your house.
does that mean if the cops come in here to you, are you allowed to get away? Or are you just supposed to lay down and let them do it?
Are you leaving? Or are you going to stand up? Of course you're leaving. I don't know why I asked that. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up.
Are you me?
Nope, we're not.
You're me.
Luckily, there's
My opinion, my house. It's mine. Ouch! Oh my God, my knee! You really just did it. For real.
Well, then why are you doing
Oh
that?
my God, my knee! You just took my knee out.
No, I didn't.
Oh my god. Oh my god, my knee. My knee. My knee. My shoulder. My shoulder.
Are you gonna walk?
Oh my god. You're hurting me.
Are you going to walk? Are you going to walk?
Oh my god, you're hurting me.
Are you going to walk?
You're hurting me. Ow.
Stand up.
My god.
Stand up. Stephanie, are you going to stand up? We're going to carry you out if you're not going to stand up.
My wrist. My wrist.
All right. Grab the
My
other shoulder.
wrist. My wrist.
We're going out. We're going up.
I'm a dental hygienist. You fucking ripped
Sit
my
up.
wrist.
Sit up. Stand up, please.
I can't.
Stand up.
I can't. You tore my knee out.
Stand up.
You tore my knee out.
Stand up.
Stand up or we're carrying you out.
You're okay.
It's my house.
Stand
I
up.
was trying to get my own
They
bedroom.
said you haven't lived here in 11 days and you
There
were here
you
for
go,
6 months in
God.
prison. Now stand up.
Did you just say I was in prison?
Here's the legal bottom line. She's being charged with criminal trespass and resisting arrest. Trespass hinges on remaining after being told to leave by lawful occupants. Resisting comes from refusing physical compliance. Notice this is not about breaking the door anymore. It's about what happened after officers gave repeated lawful orders. This is the moment where talking stops mattering and actions decide everything.
Yeah, whatever.
Why? Do you want to see my? Do you want to see my
up.
scar from that?
Stand up.
Where I got.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I can't.
Yes, you can.
You blew my knee out.
Then stand up with the other leg.
I've got ACL surgery on the other
Then
knee.
stand up.
Well, there's 2 knees with ACL surgery.
We're just going to carry you out.
Well, that's okay. We got ACL surgery on 1 knee.
1, 2, 3.
My wrist. And I'm a dental hygienist. Oh my god.
Stand. There we go. Look at that.
Ow.
Standing up now. Stand up. Take her arm. Drop
Take
the
your
phone. I
arm
don't care about
and
the phone.
twist it. And twist it up. And make sure you break it. Bob told me I could be here. I talked to the landlord. Bob does have the right. He owns the house. He owns the house. He owns
Look at
the
those
house.
knees. Look at those knees working just fine. Back up a little.
Why do you want to arrest me so bad? You want me, don't you? Ouch! Oh my god. Oh my god.
If you haven't been advised of your rights, you have the right to remain silent.
Anything you can say will be held against you in
keep
the court
going.
of law.
Perfect.
You have the right to an attorney. If you can't afford one, one will
Sit her
be
down.
appointed to you.
Where's your car? Back it up here.
Call Bob Hines!
Stop yelling.
Call Bob Hines! I rented from him! I was the one on the lease!
Stop yelling.
Call Bob Hines!
All right, this is your last warning for disorderly.
Really?
Yep, you're being charged with resisting,
Really?
trespass.
You put a sticker on it? Call somebody to help me!
You're going
Call
to jail. There's
somebody
no one
to
that's going to
help
help
me.
you.
No offense, I'm not an actor. I don't need a director. I'm just living my own life. You get it? I'm the director of my own life. Huh.
All right, ready?
I wasn't
Open that
acting.
door. Should've-
I wasn't acting.
Carry this way so she can't spray this on.
Yeah. Yep.
Hindsight.
Yeah.
Death row!
That's right. The records?
All right. You want the legs or the arm?
I don't care.
Are you going to stand up so we don't have to do this again? I'm going to ask you to stand up now.
Call Bob Hines!
I'm going to give you 2 more chances to
Call
stand
Bob
up.
Hines! I was the one that talked to him about renting this place!
All right.
It's these fools
It's the last chance to
that
stand
don't
up.
want me to live here!
Last chance to stand up. You're obviously under arrest.
Really?
Yep. All right, let's go.
Well, I hope all the video cameras around are saying it. Death row.
Hold on a second. Let me go around.
Daughtry.
1,
You know
2,
anybody in
3.
construction?
This case is a textbook example of how fast domestic disputes turn criminal. The court ultimately looks at 3 things: who had lawful possession, whether officers gave clear commands, and whether force matched resistance. Regardless of sympathy, the ruling rests on compliance and authority, not personal belief. Situations like this remind us how fragile legal standing can be inside family conflicts. If you found this case as shocking as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.
He used to work for me.
Feeding.
There we go.
Yeah, when my husband had just gotten out of jail.
Okay.
When my husband had just gotten out of jail, and actually he wasn't out of jail, he was...
So this is tight.
Oh yeah, I've got the bruises to prove it.
I don't think the judge is
Yeah, I know. Well, who gives a shit about what the judge says?
videos.
Watching the videos? Huh.
We have body cams.
Hey, I guess they need videos too on top of everything else.
Who are you talking to?
NASA?
NASA? Huh. I seen you looking up. I was just wondering.
All right.
You ever seen Wild Hearts by Keith Urban?
Put in.
Okay.
Female 21.
I heard them. I was just starting this way anyway, and I heard the mic cue up, and I'm like, oh, that's a fight. Can I borrow your gloves?
I got gloves.
Okay, I was gonna cry the extra gloves there yet.
Is your mic still up there in the trash?
Yeah, in the toilet. Oh, I thought it was gonna be dope or something.
No. Oh, if you want to get statement, you can take your gloves off. We can get statement forms.
Yeah.
Victims' rights forms. All right, we got 2 statement forms for you, and then I'm going to leave these here for David.
Name, address, date of birth, phone number.
Just be specific about what she did today and what was going on, and then that when we got here, we asked you if you wanted her here. You both said no. We tried to get her to leave, and then at that point, that's when she was placed under arrest for criminal trespass. Essentially, are you good?
I have no idea where we're at.
Yeah, I mean, we were pretty much under control, except, like I said, getting that shawl and getting the cuffs on.
Yeah.
And that bathroom is so tiny. I was like, we're not going to the ground.
Yeah.
So, like, going to the ground is going to be the worst thing.
What's the chances of this camera falling in that toilet?
Right?
Oh, disgusting.
The woman was charged with criminal trespassing and resisting arrest. Share your thoughts below and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.